Now we will do some selected pranayam. Join me in practice. First of all, we will practice Omkar sound. Keep both hands in Dhyana Mudra. Sit on Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana position. Sit straight and chant Omkar sound 7 times and keep your focus on your head. You should feel a vibration. Take long and deep breaths, and then we start the chanting of Omkar Dhvani. Inhale and start Omkar Dhvani 7 times. By chanting Omkar sound, your memory improves, you feel peaceful, and your brain capacity increases. Now we will practice Soham Pranayam. Please watch carefully and practice with me. When we say so, stay in normal position, and when we say hum, bring your stomach inside. Say it slowly. Just watch to me and follow with me. So hum, 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 so hum. Relax for a while. Just take 2-3 deep breaths, and then we will do again for few times. So means he and hum means I. Means I am the part of Supreme Soul, Siddha. Again we repeat second cycle. So hum, 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 so hum. Relax. Soham pranayam is very effective in keeping the digestive system healthy. It improves digestive power. It reduces any digestive related problem, constipation and gastric trouble. It increases your inner energy. Now one more time we practice it. So hum, 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 so hum. Relax. Soham pranayam helps to reduce the fat in your stomach. People with obesity problems should do this practice. We will do this pranayam for the third time. Say so, and when you say hum, your stomach goes in. For at least we practice 10 to 12 times. The waist and your body should be straight. This is very good pranayam, and Soham is the mantra in Upanishad. Now we will do Kapalbhati pranayam. It is very beneficial to people who have weight problems or are obesity. By doing this pranayam, it reduces weight and other health problems. Now get ready and practice Kapalbhati pranayam. In Kapalbhati pranayam, keep two things in mind. Don't below your stomach and fully concentrate on exhaling. We will practice this pranayam in 3 parts, 15 times each. Watch and follow. Keep doing a Kapalbhati pranayam. This pranayam is very simple yet very beneficial. We will do second time. Relax. It reduces the fat in your stomach. It prevents arteries from being blocked. Also, diabetes problem becomes eliminated and thyroid gets cured. It is also helpful for allergy and asthma problem. This pranayam has many advantages. We will do this for the one more time. Breathe out, stomach in. Breathe in naturally, but focus to breathe out. Concentrate on exhaling. Keep your hands on your knees. Relax, rest for a few minutes by breathing normal for 3-4 times. Kapalbhati pranayam increases your body warmth. Therefore, in the summer, do it carefully. Those who have heart problems should do this gradually. We will repeat this one more time. Keep exhaling, exhale through your nose and keep your mouth closed. Look at me and do with me. One more time. Relax. Now we will practice Brahmari Pranayam. This pranayam increases your brain power, it improves your memory power, it massages your heart and lungs. We will now practice this, so get ready. This pranayam is also very good for your vocal cord. By taking long breaths, it controls asthma. Brahmari pranayam has lots of steps, but we will stick to basic steps. Put both index fingers in your ears and keep them in tightly, so we will not be able to hear outside noises. Take a deep long breath and make a humming sound. While doing the humming sound, touch the tip of your tongue to the roof, to the palate, and lips should be closed, mouth should be closed. Gently close your eyes and practice Brahmari Pranayam. It is very good for students for improving their memory power and improve the concentration power also. So keep your index finger in the ears and practice Brahmari Pranayam. Make a sound of humming or buzzing bee. Inhale and start. Repeat this at least 7 times. Relax. Take one or two long breaths. Now we will get ready for the next pranayam. This is known as the deep breathing pranayam, Dirgha Swas pranayam. It is also known as deep breathing pranayam. Keep both hands in Jnana Mudra, posture of knowledge. Keep the lips closed and don't apply pressure to your teeth. In the deep breathing pranayam, we will slowly inhale and hold the breath inside and slowly exhale and hold the breath outside. When you exhale, don't force yourself. Do it the best you can do it. Repeat these steps. Eyes closed. Your stomach should be in when you exhale, and your stomach should be out when you inhale. It is better to keep the eyes closed, but if you can't, you can also keep it open. When you deep breathe in this pranayam, oxygen reaches every cell of your body. When you hold your breath out, you control your thoughts. When you inhale and exhale, you get oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. Practice slow and deep breath with mindfulness. Breathe slowly, hold slowly, then exhale slowly, then hold your breath outside for a while. Deep breathing pranayam. If you do this daily for 2 to 4 minutes, it doesn't block the artery and stop diseases such as asthma. Practice slow and deep breathing with full of concentration. When you breathe in, your abdomen muscle expand. When you breathe out, it should be contract. At the end, before the end, we will do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. The last pranayam is alternative nostril breathing pranayam. It is also known as Anulom Vilom Pranayam in Hindi. This is very good for the arteries, since it keeps the arteries open and does not allow it to block. It increases your intuition. When you do this for 10 to 15 minutes, you can be able to sense the future. Means your extrasensory perception is opening. Use 3 fingers of right hand. Put right thumb on the right nostril, index finger in the middle of both the eyebrows, and middle finger on the left nostril. Now let's start with the alternative breathing pranayam. Breathe in through the right nostril. Hold your breath inside for a while. Then breathe out through the left nostril. Hold your breath outside. Again, breathe in through the left nostril. Hold your breath inside and exhale through the right. Then hold your breath outside. Alternate nostril breathing pranayam with holding the breath inside and outside. Concentrate your mind with breathing. When breath goes in, your mind also goes with your breath. When breath comes out, your mind also follow your breath. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. It's improve your concentration power. Inhale through the right nostril. Hold your breath inside. Exhale through the left. Hold your breath outside. Again, inhale through the left and exhale through the other. This is very good pranayam. Repeat this pranayam. This is very helpful since it balances out the hot and cold in your body. Inhale through the right, exhale through the left. Inhale through the left, exhale through the right. Without holding the breath, practice it for a while. Inhale through the right, exhale through the left. Inhale through the left and exhale through the right. In yoga, this is the master pranayam. By doing this pranayam, you clean your 72,000 vital nerves. If you practice 10 minutes a day, then you can be able to sense the future. भविष्य का आभास होने लगता है. Relax. Now we are going to do the laughing exercise. Laughing has many advantages. You will not look older than your age. By laughing, your face gets a different charm. It will remove stress, anxiety, and depression from your life. Also, one can sleep very well. Do this practice with me. Keep your both the hands on the knee. Exhale and bend your body all the way down. Inhale and start laughing exercise. Just make a noise, ha 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 ha. It's called attahasya. It's very, very good for your physical and mental health. So look at me and follow to me. Exhale, bend your back and neck all the way down. Inhale and start. Now we will laugh with voice one more time. Exhale, bend down, inhale and start. Exhale, bend down, inhale, start loudly. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. I am presenting this pranayam DVD with Namaskar. It will help you store the vital energy in your body. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. I hope it will very beneficial for you if you practice regularly.
अब हम प्राणायाम का अभ्यास करेंगे.
Pranayam is more beneficial
योग
than
साधना
yoga.
में आसनों से
There
जो
are
लाभ
so many
प्राप्त होता
different
है,
types of pranayam.
उससे कई
but
गुना ज्यादा लाभ
We will
हम
practice
प्राणायाम से
only
प्राप्त कर
some of
सकते
the
हैं.
important ones. The
प्राणायाम
benefits of pranayam
योग
are
में बहुत
it
प्रकार के
reduces
हैं.
obesity.
किंतु अभी
प्राणायाम
हम
controls
कुछ
thyroid
महत्वपूर्ण
problem.
प्राणायामों का अभ्यास करेंगे.
Pranayam controls any heart
प्राणायाम से
related problems.
पेट का मोटापा दूर होता है.
Pranayam controls diabetes.
प्राणायाम करने से
It
थायराइड की
also
प्रॉब्लम दूर होती है.
controls any problems
प्राणायाम करने से
with asthma,
हार्ट
allergy,
की बीमारी को
sinus
राहत मिलती है.
and headache.
डायबिटीज दूर होती है.
It increases
अस्थमा
your memory
और कफ से
and
रिलेटेड
helps you
प्रॉब्लम
remain
क्योर होती है.
youthful
और प्राणायाम
and
करने से
can
एलर्जी,
increase
साइनस,
your
हेडेक
longevity.
जैसे घातक रोगों
As time
नियंत्रित किया जा
permits,
सकता है.
yogasans should
प्राणायाम
be
करने
done
से मेमोरी को
4 days
बढ़ाया
a
जा
week
सकता है.
for
प्राणायाम
half
करने से
an hour,
एजिंग प्रोसेस
and
को स्लो
pranayam
करके
should be done
आयुष्य को
3 days
बढ़ाया
a
जा
week.
सकता है. सामान्यतः
This
ऐसा
gives you
निर्धारित
peace
कर
of
लेना
mind.
चाहिए कि सप्ताह में
Also be
4 दिन
practicing this.
योगासन
You
का
can
अभ्यास करें.
gain lots
आधा
of
घंटा
benefits
और
mentally,
सप्ताह में 3 दिन
physically
हम प्राणायाम
and
का अभ्यास करें.
spiritually.